Warm Tuesday out there across the valley. Still a lot of temperatures in the 90s in the upper valley, 96 in Rio Grande City, but it's cooled back below 90 most everywhere in the lower valley. Clouds were around most of the morning, made it feel not too hot, but the sun's been breaking through more and more to warm temperatures up, and a lot of humidity in the air too. Dew points up in the low 70s. It's not going to cool off very quickly this evening, as we were talking about before the break. It's a lot of humidity and a light breeze overnight may keep temperatures running mostly in the upper 70s for lows. And just in case you're curious, we still have moderate air quality, which will probably continue the rest of the week with still some smoke coming from Central America and Mexican agricultural burning, but not at bad levels. It's kind of the usual haze in the air that we get this time of year, which should be getting toward the end of the burning season. But still, with southeasterly winds, it brings the flow right up from Mexico and Central America and keeps the haze in the air. So a breeze from the southeast still going pretty well. Sustained winds about 20 to 25 miles per hour. And like I said, this may not die off all that quickly tonight. We should still be fairly breezy through the evening hours. So if you're out for a walk or run, it will be very humid this evening, but at least there will still be a light breeze blowing. Temperatures tomorrow start off in the upper 70s to near 80 at 8 a.m. with probably clouds most everywhere at 8 a.m. But like today, the clouds kind of breaking up gradually as the day goes on. And we should end up more of a partly mostly sunny sky later in the afternoon as temperatures warm back up through the 80s, probably into the 90s in most spots, except for if you're within about 5 miles of the coast. So another hot day tomorrow. Humidity stays up. The winds, though, may not be as strong tomorrow, especially inland. I think it will remain breezy at the coast, but inland may feel hotter with less wind blowing around. Satellite radar shows the clouds right there that were around this morning, and then they've been breaking up as the day has gone on. Probably will come back in later this evening and tonight with a mostly cloudy night ahead. North Texas has some storms way up north. Tornado watches there this evening, but initially most of the storms will be pretty far to the north, but we could start to see some storms creep farther south into Texas, especially by Friday and over the weekend, and eventually some of that may try to get closer to us. So at least the short term, though, today through Friday, rain chances are looking pretty small, but Future Track has one fading front in North Texas that's still causing storms this evening. That front will kind of dissipate tomorrow, so any showers probably dying with it, but maybe just enough moisture, some of the models say, from an outside chance of maybe a sprinkle or a tiny shower to randomly pop up somewhere in or near the valley tomorrow, but probably dry just about everywhere. Kind of a little bit breezy, mainly north of us tomorrow, but the breezes increase more on Thursday, I think. The breezy conditions ahead of the next front. This front's a little stronger, but again, not ready to come plowing through here, but could create some bigger storms up north. You see central and northern Texas, a lot more colors on the screen indicating some bigger storms well to our north Friday night and Saturday. But again, eventually this front may get close enough Saturday night and Sunday that we could start to see rain chances increase here, with maybe a few thunderstorms more likely Sunday and Monday. So that remains to be seen. We have to wait and see how close that front can get. But your first 1570 forecast staying in the 90s most every day. Highs in the 90s tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, except for right along the coast where it stays in the 80s. But breeziest days Thursday and Friday, and then over the weekend, rain chances could start to go up. We're talking maybe, not all day rain, but maybe a shower or storm late in the day or again on Monday from Sunday into Monday. But we'll keep tracking those rain chances in your first 1-5 forecast. Oscar?